Hello, and thank you for your interest in learning more about MYUSG. For those of you who may not be aware, MYUSG is USG's online customer digital experience designed to deliver you, our valued customer, information and self-service capabilities, which enables you to do business with us however and whenever you want. We're excited to provide you this overview today, and as you begin to work with the tool on a day-to-day basis, please know that we're listening to you and therefore encourage your feedback and suggestions as they will help drive future capabilities. Here is an overview of the topics we'll be covering in this session. You're welcome to review this recording in its entirety, or you may navigate to only the particular topics that are of interest to you. Before logging into the website, please be aware that for optimal performance, you'll need to use the Google Chrome browser. If you use any of the others, you will experience performance and rendering issues. We also recommend refraining from utilizing the Remember Password settings, as they may interfere with browser caching and cause issues with logging in. And now we'll go over some of the key features of the homepage, which is what you'll see once you've logged in successfully to the site. First, we'll review the top of the page. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice the USG and MYUSG logo. You'll want to click this area anytime you have a desire to navigate back to the home page. Next, you'll see the navigation bar. This is all the information that is accessible to you on MYUSG.com. Please note, some of these settings are driven by your company's permissions. Next is the product search area. You'll be able to directly get to a particular product by putting in any information in this area. This could be USG commodity code, part of the product description, or even the model number. Underneath the navigation bar, you'll notice a default bill to and ship to that's associated with your account. Some of you may have more than one bill to and ship to, and if you have a desire to change that at any point, you can click the change button here. Please note, by changing it on this area, we'll only change it for this session only. If you have a desire to change it permanently, there is another setting which we'll go over a little later in the demonstration. This bill to and ship to that you select here will drive what products you're able to see and ultimately purchase on the site based on what products you purchase from us, and it will also drive pricing. The next area I would like to go over is this recent orders, recent transactions, and recent quotes area on the site. And we'll talk a little bit about each one. This first section is recent orders, which basically will show you your 5 most recent orders from the home page. At any point, you can click the 3 dots on any one of the particular lines to see some additional options. Please note, the options will vary based on the order status and type. The next area is recent transactions. Recent transactions is basically anything accounting related. This could be invoices, debits, and credits. Anytime you see that PDF icon, that means that there is a PDF of that particular document available. And just like the orders page, you can click the 3 dots here to see some additional options. Lastly, the recent quotes area will show any recent job quotes that you may have with us based on any agreements that you have with your sales reps. You can view these quotes and then again click the 3 dots for additional options. Access to view quotes is controlled by your company. And also keep in mind, not all business lines will use quotes. Next, on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see this quick order form. Quick order form is an easy way for you to be able to enter a particular USG part number and quantity and quickly add it to the shopping cart. The unit of measure that you see in this area is based on USG's standard shipping unit of measure. Examples of this include pallet, carton, etc., and it is based on the product line. If you run out of lines for the quick order area in this particular section, you can click Add Line Item to add more lines, and then when complete, click the Add to Cart button to add all of your items to the shopping cart. If at any point you want to review or go right to your shopping cart to see what you've added, you can click this icon on the top right-hand corner. Lastly, on the top of the home page, you'll be able to access your profile where you'll see some additional options. Here, you can change your password, log out, and change some of your other profile settings. Next, we'll review the bottom of the home page. You'll see in the middle area there are some quick links, and we'll quickly go over each one of those. Quick Reorder basically will clone your most recent order. View My Deliveries will navigate you to the delivery information and show you if any truck tracking is available on any of your shipped orders. View My Favorites will take you directly to your favorites page where you can create multiple lists of your favorite products that you purchase from MYUSG. Submit Inquiries allows you to submit a product-related issue inquiry, which we'll go over a little bit more later in the demonstration. And lastly, the Resource Center link will navigate you to any important information that we want to share with you with regards to MYUSG, MYCGC, and any training-related documentation. Underneath the news, featured product and price increase announcements, you'll be able to access any price publications that are available to you. Price publications are basically a list of pricing based on a particular date that you enter into that date picker, and then choose your format, and then we will email you a list of those prices to the email that's associated with your account.